today I am going to share home remedy to get rid of uneven skin tone. Uneven skin tone called hyperpigment is a harmless and a very common skin condition. The patches of skin is darker due to excess melanin production in particular area. Uneven skin tone mostly appears around your eye and mouth. A common skin problem many women face especially with age is uneven skin tone. Uneven skin tone is caused by sun dryness, aging, hormonal imbalance. To make this pack you will need turmeric, rose water, sandalwood powder, gram flour. In a bowl mix 1 tablespoon of gram flour, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of sandalwood, 4 tablespoon of rose water. Keep the pack for about 1 hour. For using this pack, wash your face with water. Apply all over the face. Leave it for 30 minutes. Once the pack gets dry, wash it with water. Like, share, subscribe to Little Pot.